me, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you some cute at home outfits that you can rock so that you still slay, so that you still look cute. So if you want to see some cute outfits, make sure you stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to the girls channel so you can be a diva too. Okay, so this is outfit number 1. These are just like basic black sweatpants. This is a set, and of course, you know, we need a little bit of skin even though it's winter. So the little hood is a crop top. It actually has a whole hood at the back, and I like these sweatpants. Normally I wouldn't advise my curvy girls to wear sweatpants, but these are really good because they still somewhat, you know, cling to your body without being too much. You know, they still sweatpants, they still a bit loose, but like they're not gonna make you look bigger, because when you know, when you're little thickums, honey, and you wear like baggy clothes, you're actually adding weight to your body and your structure, which is what we avoid. So sweatpants are normally a no-go area for me, but these are really good, and they're also kind of high-waisted, which is amazing, and they loose up top a bit, but like right here going down they are fitted, which is important. It's going to help with the shape, you know. And the fact that the top is cropped, girl, sexy on another, but it doesn't show your fat back. You know, I got a little bit of fat back, and right there it's still covered up, but when I turn around it's got that little peekaboo type of a skin. We don't got no 6-packs, but you know, we can still rock crop tops. But I absolutely love this. Throw on some sneakers. I'm literally wearing flip-flops, like black fluffy flip-flops. That's a look on its own, girl. And you're cute in the house. Take a couple pics for the gram. Right here is outfit number 2. And literally all I did was switch up the black hoodie. Sometimes you don't want to be matchy-matchy. You just want to look, you know, a little bit cute, but like, you know, I'm not really trying that hard, and I think this is like perfect. So this top I literally got for like 78 rand, 79 rand from Mr. Price. It's also a crop top. Y'all, I don't know what's up with me, but these days I just be rocking crop tops. I know it's winter, but girl, we in the house. It's okay. It's alright. So it's purple. It's a little bit of color. I kept the black sweatpants on. I mean, you're not even doing that much. You know, washing some dishes, looking cute, you know. Be like, yo, what's up? You know, don't mean because you're in the house, you can't look cute, you know. So, I mean, this is a look. It's got like these beautiful pearls. It's like white beaded pearls. It looks very fancy. You're showing some skin. You're wearing sweatpants, so you're comfortable. This is like the best. Like, you can sit on the couch. And also, if y'all can see, you can't see my back fat. Like, I promise you, when it comes to crop tops, this is for my thick girls. You gotta make sure your back fat, nobody sees it. There's ways you can rock a crop top without, you know, doing the most. And you know, this little tie in front of the shirt, it's like super trendy. It's super in right now. You can also kind of like tuck it in. I think I prefer it like tucked in under my brow, so it looks a bit neater and symmetrical. But I'm absolutely in love with this. Like, hi, how you doing? And it's gonna look fire on Instagram. Hello. You know, we all do it for the gram. Let's not lie. I'm digging this look. How do y'all feel? Please comment down below. Let me know what your favorite look is. Let me know which look you're gonna try. Right? Okay, this is look number 3, and I am back with another matching set. It's the same set as the black set that I got from China Mall. It was less than 250 and I absolutely love it. This is like super comfortable. It's got pockets, it's warm, you know, and you know, it's thick girl friendly. These sweatpants are thick girl friendly. That's what I love about them. They still hug my body so that I have a little bit of shape, and you know why it's important. You know, I don't have a really big booty in it, but you know, I'll compromise. And I absolutely love it. This little peekaboo gives me life. I love the shape of my body in this, and it's super cute. The color makes it girly. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Matching sets are the way to go for lockdown. Like, I mean, girl. Look number 4. This is super basic, just basic black leggings. Black leggings are going to be your saving grace during the lockdown, girl, because you can just wear like your black leggings with different tops. That's still going to be a look. And I just have, these are from Cotton On. These are really, really good quality. They very forgiving, they very shaping, so I'm down for them. And I got this little cute pink sweater top from Mr. Price also. And honestly, like, this is such a cheap look, super affordable. You're not going anywhere, you're just chilling in the house, you know. It's cute, it's Instagrammable, you get what I'm saying? And honestly, it's just like a super chilled look. You're going to be comfortable, but you're also not going to feel like a bum. Because what you don't want to do during lockdown is wake up every day and not dress up, because you're just going to feel like a bum. We don't do that. No, you wake up, you look cute, put on your little Mr. Price outfit, girl, and go about your day, even if you are working from home. So I'm absolutely digging this look. I am vibing with this look. I kind of feel sexy in this look. And you know the little peekaboo, it's also a crop top. Like, listen, I'm here for it. I hope you guys enjoyed these cute looks, these affordable looks. You know, just a little something something while we are at home. Don't forget to comment down below what your favorite look was, and of course subscribe to the girls channel. Girl, everybody wanna be a diva. Press the subscribe button.